Rentable is hiring for a sales development representative, or SDR, and this is similar to a business development representative. So if you have experience in either position, you would be a good fit for this role. And you'll be working on the SDR team alongside the account executives to grow their top markets, prospect and research new business opportunities with property management companies, build a pipeline of consistent and qualified leads for account executives, and it will be a combination of cold calling using LinkedIn and email marketing. And they're looking for 1+ years of experience in sales development roles, as well as 1+ year of experience, 1 year or more of experience in sales outbound cold calling role. They're looking for a competitive spirit, and this is a 100% remote position with full health and wellness benefits, so medical, dental, and vision, flexible time off, 401k program. And if you're looking for assistance in positioning yourself for the job search, we'd be happy to help you out. Take a look at the link in our bio.